Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm the product manager for the Grafana Enterprise team, and I'm thrilled to share some exciting updates about the Grafana Cloud Migration Assistant. Whether you're an OSS user exploring Grafana Cloud or an enterprise customer transitioning large deployments, the Migration Assistant simplifies and accelerates your migration journey. Let's dive into the latest features. Now, the Migration Assistant supports seamless migration of all data sources and plugins, including credentials and configuration settings, so you can hit the ground running with your cloud instance. Let's perform a quick migration to demonstrate plugins being migrated from a local enterprise instance to a cloud instance in a few easy steps. This tab contains my Grafana Enterprise instance, where I've already set up a number of dashboards and installed a couple of popular plugins where we're going to demonstrate the migration process. So there's a popular Zabbix plugin, which I've already installed alongside the Enterprise Snowflake plugin. We're going to navigate now to a Grafana Cloud instance, which I've recently set up. So in here, we're going to take a quick look at the currently existing dashboards. There's a couple of demo dashboards which I've installed. And we're going to quickly take a look at the plugins which are installed on the cloud instance. So in here you can see the Zabbix plugin doesn't currently exist as installation within cloud, and the Snowflake plugin is also not present. So the first step of the migration process is we're going to navigate to the Migrate to Cloud page and generate a migration token. We're going to copy this into our local enterprise instance. Enter the details here. This is going to create a secure connection between the local enterprise instance and the Grafana Cloud stack. And the next step is we're going to build a snapshot. This is going to take a copy of all of the supported resources by the Migration Assistant, and it's going to copy those into a snapshot which it stores locally. So we can see here the presence of the Zabbix plugin alongside Snowflake, and we also earlier prepared a Postgres data source that contains some credentials to an active Postgres database within an AWS environment. And you can see here we also have a number of dashboards listed in the snapshot along with folders as well. The final step of the process is to upload the snapshot. This is going to establish a secure connection between our local enterprise instance and the Grafana Cloud instance, and securely copy the snapshot and resources to the Grafana Cloud instance. So we can see we've just had a status update. All of the line items show that we've successfully uploaded them to cloud, and we can go navigate back to the cloud instance to review the results. Just navigating to the dashboard page, I'm going to refresh this. Great, you can see that the dashboards made their way into the instance. Oh, that's a Grafana Cloud pre-installed, but we can see here infrastructure monitoring, which was on the enterprise instance, was successfully copied over. If we navigate over to the plugins, check for the installed plugins. Now we can see we successfully migrated the Zabbix plugin alongside the Enterprise Snowflake plugin as well. If we just quickly jump over to data sources, the first entry, you can see that we also successfully migrated the Postgres data source that we had set up on the enterprise instance. This contains the connection details along with the database name And you can see here we also successfully migrated the username and password as well. So this particular data source is up and running within the cloud instance, enabling end users to quickly explore data or build a dashboard. Next up is streamlined alerting migration. Migrating Grafana alerting resources is now easier than ever. With just a few clicks, you can transfer all your alert rules, contact points, and notification settings securely to the cloud, saving you time and effort. Plus, with the new alert rules state configuration option, you can migrate alert rules in a pause state to prevent duplicate notifications. This allows you to review and test your alerts in cloud before finalizing migration. We're excited to see how these updates simplify your transition to Grafana Cloud. Try out the Migration Assistant today and experience a faster, more secure migration. For more details, check out our documentation or reach out to our team for support.